नीचे पानी का
हेलो, या गुड इवनिंग। मार्क अटेंडेंस।
हेलो
हेलो हेलो,
गुड इवनिंग सर।
गुड इवनिंग।
सर आज इस टाइम पे क्लास ले रहा है।
तो कल क्लास नहीं लेंगे, कल जो है ना थोड़ा सैटरडे को।
सर आज इस टाइम पे क्लास ले रहा है।
कल सैटरडे को क्लास नहीं लेंगे। ओके। हेलो।
ओके सर। यस सर।
ओके। then now start from the EIA. Okay, the previous slide is completed. There's a fabric filter, a scrubbers. These are the air pollution control equipments. Okay, these are the completed. Yes. Okay. Then now start the EIA. The EIA is the very important part of the environmental clearance department. Okay. Without Okay, the EIA is the part of the environment clearance. Okay, without EIA not give the permission for the environment clearance for the any of the type of the project. Okay, the last step of the environment clearance, the EIA is the very important role. All types of documents related the project you see the all documents, then you finally transfer to the resource forest and resource department, human department. Okay, then give the for the clearance, environment clearance. Okay, this is the last step. So EIA is the defined as the study of predicting the effect of proposed activity या project on the environment. Okay, this type of activity run during the project work. So this all type of activities see the EIA and the project on the environment. Which type of work project on this environment. Okay, suppose it's a power plant, a steel plant constructing the environment. Okay, so then without environment clearance, not start the work any type of the because air pollution, water pollution decrease for increase the through the project. Suppose steel plant and power plant started. Suppose a smoke data. Suppose coal is burning, the smoke is the burn day to day regularly. So this spread in the atmosphere, directly emitted in the atmosphere. So this is the very big pollution, the air pollution. Okay, so all types of pollution related. This is the SPCBSN Pollution Control Board see this type of activities. So all type of activity involved through the EIA. Okay, without EIA not give the permission, the Human Resource Department, suppose Forest Department, okay, this type of issues, all types of clearance, give the go documents is okay, then you give the clearance for the environmental clearance. Then you start the work, any types of project. Okay, so without environment clearance, not start the work. This is the illegal work. Okay, see, only you are start the boundary wall work with before the environment clearance. Okay, a decision making tool, EIA compare various alternatives for a project and 625 the one which represents the best combination of economic and environmental cost and benefit. Okay, so all type of cost benefits. Okay, this is economic. See the economics. This is the EIA compare the all types of projects. Suppose two type of projects started. The EIA see the your point is economic. Your point environmental cost, how much your benefits for the environment. Okay, but for the your project. Now suppose you start the any types of project, suppose steel and power plant, then what benefit, which type of benefit for the environment? This is the cost and comes under the cost and benefit. This is decision making tools. This is a very important part. Okay, this all type of activities and all types of plan decision maker to the start from the starting of your layout the plan. Okay, all types of details mentioned in the project. Okay, this type of project, this how much employee, how many types of work equipments, all details is mentioned in the project plan, development plan. Environmental impact assessment instead as an instrument of preventing environmental management. Okay, it provides a framework and an information basis for decision making. Okay, on activities affecting the environment. Which type of your decision making? Which type of decision making on the engineer basis of the framework and information or for the EIA. So this type of which type of activity affecting the environment? Anyone? Suppose you start the work, project work, suppose power plant, a steel plant, or sewage treatment plant is all type of project started. So which type of effective activity affecting directly or indirectly in the environment? Which type of activities? Anyone?
थर्मल पावर प्लांट से वाटर बॉडी में थर्मल एनर्जी अगर डिस्चार्ज करेंगे तो वो एक्वेटिक एनिमल के लिए हार्मफुल होगा सर.
Okay. And any others?
And अगर कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क अगर कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क कर रहे हैं सर तो इन्वायरमेंट में डस्ट पॉल्यूशन ज्यादा होगा अगर हम लोग, और नॉइज पॉल्यूशन ज्यादा होगा, एयर पॉल्यूशन एंड नॉइज पॉल्यूशन ज्यादा होगा सर.
Okay. And the sewage treatment plant, you set up the sewage treatment plant, which type of effect on the environment?
अगर हम लोग उसको कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे तो सर.
Yeah, construct, yeah, you start the sewage treatment plant. Which type of affect the directly environment?
सर वो तो गुड इफेक्ट डालेगा सर.
Good effect. How?
सर अगर वाटर बॉडी हम लोग का पॉल्यूटेड है तो उसको अगर हम लोग अच्छा कर रहे हैं, गुड क्वालिटी में, गुड मैनर वे में अगर भेज रहे हैं तो वो तो एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स के लिए अच्छा है.
Aquatic animals के लिए. But first step is the first all you collect the water. Suppose you suppose in Ranchi and Ruka Dam. Okay. So which type of effect?
Smell, bad smell, sir.
Bad smell. Okay. And any other? But is air pollution. Near the Ruka Dam, anyone visit the Ruka Dam? Anytime? Anyone visit? The Ruka Dam area is very affected. Suppose air pollution. Okay, So many types of activities directly and indirectly affect the environment. Okay, suppose a steel plant, say industrial plant. The industrial wastewater directly discharge in the river. Okay, this is the all types of activities that directly affect the water bodies. Okay, and the surface runoff. Then now this economical, social, environment change. As in order to develop the wills, development aims to bring about a positive change. So how to measure the economic, social, and environmental changes? Which type of effect? This is the three factors. Which type of effect on the project, the social, economic, and environment change? Any type of effect can be. Economics is a good economics project. Your project is economic. This is a very good, and you see the social work through the project and the environmental change. How is possible environmental change? No. Suppose develop the project, तो how to?
सर environmental change हो जाएगा सर, लेकिन social effect कैसे करेगा सर?
क्यों? Why? This economic, social, environmental change inherit the development to development. Whereas development aim to bring about a positive change. It can lead to conflicts. Okay. Actually, अगर तुम you start the project, your responsibility is the social work. This is the nearest village area. Your responsibility, ना? अगर तुम किसी विलेज के नियरेस्ट में प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट करते हो, तो जो भी वहाँ के सोशल, जो भी पर्सन लोग, जो भी पीपल्स वहाँ पे लिव कर रहे हैं, तो उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी किसकी जाती है?
यस सर, डेवलपमेंट वर्क होगा सर, सोशली
सोशल डेवलपमेंट,
मतलब पुअर पीपल को जॉब मिल जाए.
दिस इज द इकोनॉमिक्स स्ट्रांग, वो लोग जो इकोनॉमिक्स से जो भी अगर वो लोग पुअर्स हैं तो वो स्ट्रांग हो जाएंगे. ओके, एंड सोशल इज द गुड, जो भी वहाँ के लोग हैं उन कंडीशन उनका गुड अच्छा हो जाएगा. ओके, so this is the positive change. Okay, in the past the promotion of economic growth as the model for increased well-being was the main development thrust the retail society to adverse social or environmental impacts. Okay, the need to avoid adverse impact and to ensure long-term benefit. Through this project, the nearest people is the long-term benefits. All are the need to jobs. Okay, then all are the find a jobs. So all are the get the job. Your company is settled in the nearest of village. The company get the some just like get the job for this. All types of work is the during the project work. So all are the getting the job. Okay, so this is the development of the social. Okay, this is the need of what a vast impact ensure long-term benefits led to concept of sustainability. This has become accepted as an essential features of development. If the aim of increased well-being, the greater equity and fulfillment of basic need to the meet for this future generation. Okay, and then now this is in order to predict environmental impacts of any development activities and to provide an opportunity to mitigate it against negative impact. Okay, and the enhanced positive impacts. And the environment impact assessment EI is a procedure that developed in the 1970s. This is the EI is defined as some three main functions to predict problems, to find a way to avoid them, and enhance positive effects. So how to enhance the positive effects on the from the EIA? Anyone? How to predict problems? How to find a way to avoid them and to enhance positive effects? No. This is the three EIA has the main function, three main function. This is the predict problems, to find way to avoid and enhance positive effects. Anyone define कुछ something? Say. No. No, anyone the what is the increase the how to increase the your experience of positive effects? Suppose you something can you do, okay, any work you do, then how to increase your experience?
वॉइस ठीक से नहीं
Oh, voice नहीं आ रहा है? Okay. Suppose you can anything, मतलब you
सर
can
आपका वॉइस ठीक से नहीं
चलिए वो बारिश हो रहा है अभी now audible? Hello.
यस सर
Okay. So what is it about the enhanced positive effects through the EIA? Which type of effects, the positive effects on the your project? Can you define?
यस सर सर अगर हम लोग इन्वायरमेंटल इम्पैक्ट असेसमेंट से अगर हम लोग ऑर्डर ले लेते हैं तो वो हम लोग को प्रॉपर गाइडलाइन देगा कि इस टाइप का प्रोजेक्ट करो तो आप इन्वायरमेंट पे कम इफेक्ट पड़ेगा और दिस इज गुड फॉर अस
Okay. Suppose you can anything. Suppose you can you handle project work. Okay. So how to increase your experience of positive effect? What will increase your experience of positive effect? So experience is the positive. Your experience give the positive effect of your project. Suppose you work the 3 to 4 years any types of project, then you change the project work, then you project matlab you company change, okay, so your this experience work for this company, okay, then you increase the experience. Suppose you increase your experience, then you affect the positive.
ठीक से नहीं आ रहा
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है now?
अब ओके है सर
Okay.
अब ओके
Okay. Suppose you start the any types of work in any company. Okay. Suppose you how to increase your experience of positive effects. Positive effect. Suppose you increase your experience. Suppose 3 to 4 years experience you get. Then you change the company. Your experience directly gives you the positive effect. Okay, suppose you change the company, one company to another company. You go to the join the another company. Your experience give the positive effects. Okay, so this is the enhance the positive effects. Three any related to the company. This is the EI is the main function. Three main function. Okay. Then environmental impact assessment shame or the EIA is an assessment of possible positive or negative impact that a proposed project may have on the environment, consider nature, social and economic aspects. Those three are the considered during the project. Suppose EIA is the give, EIA is the see the these three factor, your environment factor, this is natural, the social and economic. Okay, but during the project work, you not disturb the natural resources. Okay, you not disturb the natural resources. Then you get the environmental clearance. The EIA see this type of activities during the environmental clearance statistics. Suppose environment, nature, social and economic. You're putting economic or not. Okay, according to the International Association of Impact Assessment, okay, the process of identifying, predicting, evaluating and mitigating the biophysical, social and other relevant effects of development proposal prior to major decision being taken and commitment made. This is the function of the EIA. Okay, this is the EIA process. Okay, this way the vision EIA is not rigid. It is a process comprising a series of steps. The following these are steps. Okay, these steps are outlined given the techniques are commonly used in EIA describe the some detailed instruction techniques. This is the EIA. The process is for screening, scoping, prediction and mitigation, management and monitoring, and audit. These are the EIA process. The first you give pass the screening. The screening is the all types of project. Which type of project? This is the categorize. Okay, the screening of result in a categorization of the project. Okay, this is the categorization of the project is category A and category B. Which type of your project? This is the first you screen. There is the suppose one example greater than 500 megawatt your plant. Okay, this is the category is the category A, and the less than the 500 megawatt is the category B. Suppose they screen the project category A and category B. Okay, and the fund decision made on the whether or not a full EIA is to be carried out. So all types of documents, all types of related to the project, we are mentioning the project details in the development plan. The first you will screen the from the EIA process category A and category B. Okay, then now we pass to the scoping. So what is the scoping? This is the process of determining which are the most critical issues to study and will involve community. The predicate issue to the participation to some degree. It is at the earliest stage that EIA can must strongly influence the outline proposal. The some you give the proposal for the environment clearance. Okay, this is the part of the scoping. Okay, suppose your company gives a proposal. Okay, the your proposal outline is all details are mentioned. Okay, the outline is given. Okay, then detail prediction and mitigation studies flow scoping and the carry out the parallel with the feasibility studies. Okay, which type of documents, which type of how much employee, all details are mentioned in this project, in the EIA process, detailed estimation. The how what is the estimation? Types of estimation? Anyone know types of estimation? Anyone?
Sir, detailed estimation, approximate estimation.
And other? Approximate and but only two types. So 3, 4, 5 types.
Oh, sir, many types of.
4, 5 types
Yes,
something.
sir.
So preliminary estimation, detailed estimation, approximate, plinth area estimation. Okay, these are many types of estimation.
Yes, sir.
But I
plinth
done the this is a very important for the detailed estimation. This is a very effective. Approximate is the work is just to get the project. Suppose you construct the building. Suppose you give the plan is 1400 square feet. Okay, you get the approximate values the 30 lakhs or 40 lakhs after the completion of the project with finishing. That's the approximate. But you detailed estimation to find every part by part is the you estimate the project. Suppose how much column. Okay, the column reinforcement, how much reinforcement well in the column. Okay, all types of details find in the detailed. Okay, this is called detailed estimation. The detailed estimation is very effective for the any type of extra the project. Okay, the main audit report is called EIS. That contains the detailed plan of managing and monitoring environmental impacts both during and after implementation. Okay, the finally the audit. Okay, the audit of the EIA process is carried out. Okay, carried out sometimes after implementation. The audit serve as usual feedback and the learning funds. This is comes under the audit. Any doubts? Problem? What is noise? Okay, this what is noise? Your voice is not come. So what is noise? Noise is the unwanted sound. It disturbs the activities of balanced human and animal life. Unbalanced. Okay, this is a noise when a lot of noise in the environment. It is the term as the noise pollution. Okay, but sound becomes undesirable when it disturbs the normal activities such as working, sleeping, and during the conversation. The unwanted sound disturb the normal activities. As suppose you work, you work and you sleeping. then you talk to with two persons, then this type of activity start, then the disturb the normal condition. This is a sound noise pollution. It is an undirected environmental problem because of the fact that we can't see, smell, and taste. This type of problem you not see, not smell, and not taste. The WHO stated that noise must be recognized as a major threat to the human well-being. Okay, WHO already decided this is a noise pollution is a very threat, major problem for the human beings. Okay, then the measure of noise. These are the standard decimal, standard measurement of noise. 20 dB is the Wishword, is it 40 dB is the noise feet office, and the normal concern 60 and 80 is the level of this sound. Okay, then the become physically painful and can be termed as noise. This is the measurement of the noise. And the classification noise, there are two types of noise in the non-industrial noise pollution and the industrial noise pollution. So this is the of non-industrial. This is the aircraft noise in the non-industrial. Roadways noise pollution, underwater noise pollution comes under the non-industrial pollution. This is the industrial noise pollution. This noise from railroad construction noise, noise in buildings, noise from consumer products, loudspeakers, and the firecrackers. These are the comes under industrial noise pollution. Okay, this is the generally two types of impact of noise. How to impact the noise on the human?
Noise of consumer pollution कैसे होगा sir?
Yeah.
Noise of consumer production.
Yeah, consumer products. Noise from consumer products. क्यों नहीं होगा?
वो कैसे होगा sir?
Suppose what is your consumer products? Suppose you purchase any types of products. Okay, some quantity is the more. So during the transporting time, suppose you live in your village, nearest village is shop. This is a big shop. This is the consumers purchase the more types of products. Okay, suppose is the enforcement is the products. Okay, this is the loading and unloading times. The noise is created. So this is the consumer products. Okay, possible or not possible?
To go to transport.
Not in
transportation जैसे रोडवे नॉइस पॉल्यूशन ये सब में ही ना आ जाएगा इससे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन और कंज्यूमर प्रोडक्ट्स.
Suppose loading and unloading time समझते हो ना? Suppose you purchase the bricks. Suppose bricks. Okay, so you live in your nearest your area. Okay, you unloading and loading. So you unload the bricks. Okay, during this time unloading time, noise is created. Okay, so your nearest person, nearest person is conversation disturb. Okay, the sleeping disturb. Okay, this is a noise pollution. This is वो तो pleasant sound तो नहीं ना है. अगर कोई भी उस टाइम पे ड्यूरिंग टाइम पे जब लोडिंग अनलोडिंग करेगा तो कोई अनप्लीजेंट साउंड ही निकलेगा, वो सुनने में अच्छा तो नहीं लगेगा. There is noise from the consumer products. Any types of consumer purchase the products, the many more quantity is the loading and loading times is many types of pollution created. Suppose the sound, very big sound. Okay, that is the consumer products. Okay, doubt?
और नहीं सर यहाँ पे नहीं डाउट है. और अंडर वाटर नॉइस पॉल्यूशन
या नहीं होगा. अंडर वाटर नॉइस पॉल्यूशन सपोज शिप ओके मैरिन, जब तुम नियरेस्ट कभी वहां पे रहोगे, कभी नियरेस्ट बीच के पास जाओगे, कभी जब कहीं लोग ट्रेवल करोगे तो वहां पे कभी देखना तुम लोग जब अंदर कोई शिप पास करता है कितना साउंड होता है.
यस सर हमको लगा सर मतलब वाटर के नीचे का पॉल्यूशन वो नहीं समझ में.
अंडरवाटर नॉइज पॉल्यूशन created by the marine, the ship has traveled, the बहुत साउंड होता है.
यस सर.
ओके
यस सर.
They know impact of noise, impact how to impact on the noise on human. This type of impact, if they decrease the efficiency of a man, there's normal things. They decrease the efficiency. Okay, the noise cause lack of concentration. Suppose you तुम पढ़ रहे हो यहाँ पे, कोई तुम्हारे बगल में तुम्हारा दूसरा स्टूडेंट जो है वो सॉन्ग गाना सुन रहा है तो तुम्हारा कंसंट्रेशन डिस्टर्ब होगा ना. The lack of concentration, the fatigue. Absorption is a cause, it causes blood pressure, temporary and permanent defense. Okay, The impact on noise on animals. The noise pollution damages the nervous system of animals. Animals loses the control of its mind, not the control. Okay, they lose the control of the minds. They become dangerous. Okay, जब animals control खो देते हैं अपना mind का तो क्या करेंगे? वो किसको डैमेज करेंगे? Damage to the human beings. Okay, the impact of noise on property. Loud noise is very dangerous to buildings, trees, and monuments. Okay, it creates waves which obstruct the walls and put in the building in the dangerous condition. Okay, and it will weakness to the addition of the edifice of the buildings. The directly impact of the noise on property. The crack the wall. Okay, monuments fall into the from the ground level from the vibration sound vibration. Okay, and the each weakness of the advanced buildings. This is the impact directly on noise on property. So, source of noise pollution. The sources. Okay, the pollution noise can be natural process and by the human activities. Some pollution caused by natural process, yeah, human activities. The transport noise, this is from the human activities. The main theme noise comes from the transport sector. The transport noise include road traffic noise, rail traffic noise, and aircraft. All are the given.
नहीं आ रहा.
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है? This is the.
सर बहुत ज्यादा कट रहा है.
Actually, मौसम बहुत खराब है. So motion weather is bad. Okay. This is the three types of noise pollution that from the transport noise, the traffic noise, road traffic, rail traffic, and aircraft. Okay, the rail traffic noise, you all are known. Rail traffic noise, you all are known. Aircraft noise, all are known. So this is the chief cause of road traffic noise, the number of road vehicles. Okay, and their high traffic speed. The faster moving vehicle produce high noise from their gearbox, exhaust system, vibration from their body. Okay, this is the road traffic noise. Suppose you, any student is the run the speed bike, the change the gear, noise created, exhaust system, vibration. Okay, these are the created from the road traffic noise. The rail traffic, the noise from rail traffic is comparatively lower than that are from road traffic. This is lower from the road traffic. But introduction of diesel engine and electrical engine has reduced the intensity of rail traffic noise, which was previously shown by the steam engine. Okay, besides use the welded tracks or improved coach suspension have contributed to reduction of the rail noise. Okay, this is the from the rail traffic. Aircraft noise, larger and faster aircraft produce high noisy intermittently. Okay, during the takeoff, you take off and landing. You take up the flight. Okay, during the fast air noise, high noise. Okay, landing and during the flight, noise generated from the compressor and the turbine and the near jet exhaust. Okay, jet engines created a much noise around a radius of 16 kilometers. Sonic boom is an important aspect of aircraft noise. Sonic boom occurs when an aircraft flies supersonic overhead. Okay, anyone travel the aircraft? Then you see how much noise created. You sit on the aeroplane, okay, flight, you very noise created. Your ear is the heavy. ऐसा लगेगा कि एकदम कान मेरा फट गया. ठीक है? This is a very big noise created from the aircraft noise. Okay. Then on the industrial noise, the different machine of numerous industries, factory and mills, okay, produce a lot of high intensity sound causing noise pollution. Okay, some industrial process like wearing ship building, boiler making, flashing and blasting operation are noisier than the others. Okay, the operations is pneumatic drills, milling machine, cutters, printer, press with an upward, downward and sideway movement of the vibration for lowering and hearing capacity to a large extent. Okay, this is the industrial noise pollution. And this is the noise pollution further magnified due to the installation industries in the compact places. For example, the works near the heavy industries, blower in the steel industry are exposed to sound 1 and 2 dB. Okay, the 48 hours and hence suffer from the occupational pollution. Okay, the Neighborhood noise. These all are known about the neighborhood noise. Anyone said which type of noise? The type of noise include antisocial activities of neighborhood, like using a loud TV, a stereos, radio sets, jazz music, firework. Okay, this is a playing of children, barking of dogs, neighborhood doorbell out of the intoxication and the industrial neighborhood noise. Okay, these are machine used in the house construction like concrete mixers, vibrators, bulldozer. Okay, heavy diesel lorry, building and demolition activity also added a noise pollution. The activity under the neighborhood noise. Okay, the noise is airborne mechanical energy seeking the human eardrum. Okay, a sound of 65 dB is the noise level of conservation heart at distance of 1 meter. A sound of 125 dB, it gives a sensation of plane. The ear of 150 dB, might kill human being. In noise of 90 dB is the made frequency range reaches the ear are for more than few minutes. The sensitivity of ear is the reduced. Day to day you are hear this type of sound, your sensitivity of ear is reduced. Day to day decreased. Okay. You save the environment from the noise. Day to day noise pollution decrease. They know how to control. How to control the noise pollution? This type of noise pollution. Anyone define how to control? कोई idea?
सर बोकस कंपाउंड यूज करेंगे.
क्या करेंगे?
सर
सपोज योर जो पड़ोसी है वो बहुत साउंड लाउड टीवी
नॉइज क्या यूज करें.
नहीं, तुम्हारा आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. योर ऑडियो इज नॉट ऑडिएबल.
सर ये नॉइज कैंसलेशन यूज करेंगे सर, जो वॉल्स वगैरह में लगाया जाता है सर.
ओके. और एनी अदर?
जो थिएटर्स वगैरह में यूज होता है सर नॉइज कैंसलेशन के लिए, वो सारा यूज करेंगे प्रोडक्ट्स.
वैसे होने से क्या हो जाएगा? सपोज यू यूज द नाउ साउंड, तो सभी लोग साउंड प्रूफिंग मटेरियल यूज नहीं करेंगे कि जब वो अपना टीवी साउंड और टीवी चलाएंगे लाउड साउंड में. तो हाउ टू कंट्रोल द डिस्टर्ब? तुम जाओ वहां मना कर रोकने के लिए कि टीवी थोड़ा सा साउंड
अवेयरनेस करेंगे.
awareness program, if you conduct the awareness program for the noise pollution. Okay, you all are aware,
Yes.
aware the peoples how to control और क्या इससे क्या इफेक्ट होता है ह्यूमन बींग्स पे. ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ डिटेल्स यू डायरेक्टली प्रेजेंट द front of the humans. Okay, this type of activities create the many types of noise. This type of activities, the sensitivity of ear is reduced, lost the hearing loss. Okay, day to day you hear the sound. So already all human beings are lost the sensitivity, and the hearing process, the hearing comes reduce the day to day hearing sensitivity. This is a very big problem. The control of noise pollution, how to control the use of improved techniques, soundproofing, transmission control, creation of a green vegetation cover, using protective device, operation in the open space, use of building codes. These are the pollution control techniques. You apply the soundproofing. Yes, see the transmission, how to use the transmission control.
बिल्डिंग कोड्स क्या होगा?
क्या क्या?
यूज ऑफ अ बिल्डिंग कोड्स.
Your IS code is given, your IS code given with which type of techniques use the for industrial buildings and apartments. Okay, this is the you are given the IS code, all types of how to control the industrial buildings, industrial noise pollution and the apartments noise pollution. All are you use the building codes. Okay, तुम लोग देखे हो बिल्डिंग कोड्स क्या कहीं पे जब तुम पीडब्ल्यूडी से वर्क करोगे तुम लोग ना, जब तुम लोग पीडब्ल्यूडी डिपार्टमेंट में वर्क करोगे तो उस टाइम पे हम लोग एक बिल्डिंग कोड तुम लोग को प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा. ओके, उसमें ऑल डिटेल मेंशन. सपोज तुम लोग ने अपना डाउनलोड करना पीडब्ल्यूडी एक्चुअली रेट एक होता है ना